Eric with boatac.net. This is the Marinaire product. I talk so much about it on all my literature on my website as well as my YouTube videos. This thing is absolutely the top of the line product on the market. I just can't say enough good things about it. The one thing is it's got this sound shield built around a compressor, which is on this side. The evaporator coil, removable screen. It's got, this is the inbound water, outbound water control panel, 6-inch rotatable fan assembly, which can rotate, basically 360 degrees all around. This is the current display. It's been with Marinaire since they started, but they have upgraded to a new digital display that's Wi-Fi compatible, that's going to be more of a plug and play. We will get more information to you on that shortly. We will be providing a package where we can come out and install the new display with the transformer and get the unit set up where you can use it for Wi-Fi. It's kind of a game changer. This is the only company before now that actually came up with a true Wi-Fi compatible thermostat on an alternating current unit. We are getting ready to test a DC unit that's got a Wi-Fi compatible as well, but it is now available for all the Marinaire units for any client we've ever put them in, or we can just ship them to clients that we have not put in Marinaires for.